Just like fire, burning up the way. I can light the world up for just one day. Watch this madness, colorful charade. No one can be just like me anyway. Just like magic, I'll be flying free. I'ma disappear when they come for me. No one can be just like me anyway.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to break up product buildup, reduce dandruff, and balance your pH. So if you're interested, let's get started. To break up product buildup, reduce dandruff, and to balance your pH, we need a special product, you guys. And that product is apple cider vinegar, you guys. Apple cider vinegar is an awesome product. It has so many great benefits. First, if you're going to get apple cider vinegar, you want to make sure that it's organic, and you want to make sure that it comes in a glass bottle, and you want to make sure that it comes with the mother. And the mother is basically all the good nutrients and bacteria and yeast that's in it. So yeah, you want to make sure it says with mother. So yes, apple cider vinegar, you guys, is very affordable, and you see this bottle is a big bottle, and it will last you a very long time. And it will last you a long time because you do not want to use this too often. So first we're going to start with how apple cider vinegar breaks up product buildup. Well, apple cider vinegar is very acidic. It has a pH of about 2 to 3. So when you use this, you definitely have to dilute this. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys how I make my apple cider vinegar. So stay tuned for that. But you definitely want to dilute this because we know water has a pH of about 6 to 7. And it definitely will dilute this, but because it's so acidic, it will go in and break that product buildup off your hair. Now notice I said it will break it up. This product will not get rid of all of your product buildup. It will not, but it will break it up to help your shampoo get rid of the rest. So definitely you will need to shampoo your hair after this, but because of this, you can shampoo your hair only one time. You don't need to do it twice, because this does a really good job of getting rid of some of the product buildup, and it does not strip your hair. So that's a very good thing about apple cider vinegar. It will not strip your hair, so that's pretty awesome. Okay, so it's basically 2 ways that you can use this. Next is to reduce dandruff. So if you're having problems with dandruff, any kind of scalp issues, apple cider vinegar is great. So before you go in to wash your hair, you want to spray this. You want to put it in a spray bottle because it's going to be easier. And you want to just spray it on your scalp, just on your scalp. And this is going to help to reduce the dandruff. And you want to let it sit for about 15 minutes. And that's going to be really helpful. That's just one way, and that's just to help reduce the dandruff. Next, you guys, we're going to talk about how to balance your pH using apple cider vinegar. Now, we know this is very acidic, so again, you have to dilute this, okay? And like I said, I'm going to show you at the end how I dilute my apple cider vinegar. So most of the products that we use in our hair are on the opposite end of the pH scale, so it's very high. So we don't want that. We want our hair to be a normal pH. So what the apple cider vinegar is going to do is come in and balance that and bring our hair back down, our scalp and our hair back down to a normal pH. So what you want to do first is dilute your apple cider vinegar, and then you want to shampoo, you want to condition or deep condition, and you want to let this be the last thing you do. You want to use it as a rinse. And what this is going to do is going to tighten up the hair cuticles, and it's going to give you shiny hair. So if you want shiny hair, you definitely want to do an apple cider vinegar rinse. Now let's talk about the porosities. Now it's a difference. Now I have low porosity hair. If you have a low porosity hair, you cannot use this often. Now I use apple cider vinegar about every 3 months because our cuticles are already tight. Now, when you use this, it's not going to stop products from getting into your hair because you're not going to use it often. But we know with low porosity hair that we get buildup very easily. So this is very good to use every couple of months. Now on the other end, if you have high porosity hair, you can use apple cider vinegar more often because you want products that's gonna close and tighten the cuticles. So apple cider vinegar is very good for all hair types. But depending on if you're low or high porosity determines how often you use this. So if you're low porosity, you do not want to use this often, and if you're high porosity, you can use this a little bit more often. Guys, to go back over some of the benefits of apple cider vinegar, it has antibacterial, antifungal properties. It is very affordable, and this product will last you a very long time. Also, it will tighten your cuticles, and also will give your hair a great shine, and most important, it will balance the pH of your scalp and hair. So this is a very good product, you guys. If you haven't tried apple cider vinegar, try it. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. So now I'm going to show you guys how I dilute my apple cider vinegar. So you're going to need a spray bottle, of course, apple cider vinegar, and you're going to need some water. So I usually do it 1 part apple cider vinegar to 2 parts water. So I'm going to go ahead and add the apple cider vinegar. Okay. And of course, we know it does have a strong smell, but that goes away. So if you can get over the smell, it will go away. And now I'm going to add the water to dilute this. And there we go. So this is what it should look like. And you guys, how much you use really depend on your hair. How much buildup you think you have. If you think, you know, you got a lot of buildup, you might want to use a little bit more, but you have to dilute this, you guys, because this could be damaging using it, you know, with not enough water. So make sure you dilute it. So this is what it looks like, and it's wash day for me. So I'm about to go and use this, and I'm gonna use it before I start, just for my scalp, and then I'm gonna shampoo and condition and deep condition it, and then as a rinse, after I deep condition and rinse it out, I'm gonna go in and get my hair rinsed with this apple cider vinegar, you guys. So I really hope that this video is helpful. If it's helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you have any other questions about apple cider vinegar, please leave me a comment. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.